Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply a tourist visa or you can say an entry visa to Jamaica. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please gonna subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So, guys, the very first thing you need to do when you are planning to travel to Jamaica, that if you actually need a visa, because many nationalities don't need a visa, and with some existing visas, you may avoid it even if you don't fall in those nationalities. So, all right, guys, so let's see. So, guys, in front of you, I have opened the official government website of Jamaica, and we have gone to Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency. So the requirements they have clearly specified over here. Okay. Now, as I said, the very first thing is to check the country. So let's say you are from India. So you don't need a visa, right? Let's say you are from Canada. So when I entered Canada, I got so many things, but Canada no visa required. Even from other country like Bulgaria. Why? Because if you are from Bulgaria and you have a Canada visa or Schengen or USA visa, you don't need a visa for 30 days or less. Okay. So you need to find out based on your nationality. You can search whatever you are. Like if you're from Indonesia, you need a visa. If you're from Pakistan, you need a visa. If you're from Sri Lanka, you need a visa. If you're from Bangladesh, you don't need a visa. So you can determine it. So after that, what's the process? The process is to go to the Consulate General of Jamaica near to your location. So for example, I have opened this Consulate General of Jamaica in Canada. So if I go to visitor see visa section, they have clearly specified the requirements and also based on nationality. If you're a US citizen, no valid passport is required. Canadian citizen, valid passport. If you're Canadian resident, means you have a Canadian visa, valid passport and travel document and valid Canadian permanent resident card. Okay, fine. Other foreign national, okay. Then what you need? Should have passport with 6 months validity, visa application form J, two recent passport at photograph, valid re-entry visa to Canada or Canada. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Like you need to check the requirement based on the location. Required visa fee. We'll go through that as well. You can see this is work permit fee structure, but we'll find out visa fee as well. That's fine. So when you are applying for uh, visit visa, they have asked to submit form J. So this is form J. So it's very simple name, common name if different, arrived in on, okay. Name, place of birth, present address, marital status, visa required for destination Jamaica, reference in Jamaica. Okay, that's very simple. That is why I'm saying like you see that this is given for this location. You need to do based on your location so that there's nothing you need to worry about. And come down, Commonwealth citizens, with the exception of Nigeria, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, holder passports of countries of British Commonwealth do not require entry visa. Okay, fine. So now we are clear. Now we'll go through the fee. So in order to go for the fee, I'll take you to the official site. They have like fee section. Here you can see all the fee and also in the currency that they have determined. So it's very simple and you don't need to means do a lot of you do always need to do a lot of research about what you're gonna stay and all. So that's fine. And if you need more information, they have given contact information as well. So as I said, like first verify if you need a visa. If you don't need, it's fine. Then what other requirements you need to meet, that also you should be aware of. That is also okay. Then it's all right. If not, you need to connect with the local embassy or mission that's covering your location, and from there you can take it up. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.